Incy Wincy Spider could well get washed out of the waterspout later on this week because some thundery rain is on the way, and as you'd expect at this time of year, the breakdown is coming up from the south. You can see some quite angry looking cloud coming in across Spain and Portugal, and there's more of it lurking out into the Atlantic, and that's going to be swept in and then swept northwards as this thundery low moves up across the British Isles during Thursday and Friday. At the moment though, it's pretty settled, the best of the sunshine across northwestern areas, a little bit more in the way of cloud across the far southwest where there could be the odd shower this evening, may even be a rumble of thunder, but that is a very small risk, probably less than 10% in any one location. And we've still got some problems on North Sea coast with mist and low cloud creeping inland. As you can see here, in some places it's moving back to the coast, in other places it is heading in from the coast. And I think the tendency overnight will be for more and more of it to creep further and further inland. But there will be some clear skies around, and underneath those some mist and fog forming, and up in some of the very sheltered glens in Scotland temperatures could get low enough for a touch of frost on the ground. Well, there'll be quite a bit of sunshine around tomorrow morning, and that'll help burn that low cloud back to the North Sea coast. Bit of a problem for the wind tomorrow because we're going to have high and low pressure scattered around, hardly an isobar on the chart, so it's going to have difficulty making its mind up which way to blow. But as things warm up inland, I think by the afternoon we can expect some sea breezes around the coast, so it'll be a little bit cooler on the beaches, with top temperatures inland getting up to around about 22 or 23 degrees. And then tomorrow afternoon, once again, the chance of some showers developing, particularly over southern England and South Wales, perhaps getting up into the southernmost counties of Northern Ireland later on in the day, but a good deal of fine weather to look forward to as well. And then into the latter part of the week, as we've seen earlier, the low pressure moving up from the south, bringing some outbreaks of thundery rain with it on Thursday, initially that moving northwards across England and Wales. And then on Friday we can expect that thundery rain to be moving northwards across Scotland and Northern Ireland, leaving some showery weather in its wake in the south. And that's the